Maldives is an archipelagic kingdom placed in southern Asia, located within the Indian Ocean. It lies southwest of Sri Lanka and India, approximately 750 kilometers from the Asian continent's mainland. The chain of 26 atolls stretches from Udaipur atoll within the north to Udaipur atoll inside the south, across the equator. Comprising a territory spanning kind of 90,000 square kilometers, which includes the sea, land area of all of the islands accommodates 298 square kilometers. Maldives is one of the world's maximum geographically dispersed sovereign states and the smallest Asian country, as well as one of the smallest Muslim majority countries through land area and, with around 557,751 inhabitants, the second least populous U.S. in Asia. Male is the capital and the most populated city, traditionally known as the King's Island, in which the historic royal dynasties dominated for its central location. The Maldivian archipelago is located on the Chagos-Laccadive Ridge, a vast submarine mountain range in the Indian Ocean. This also forms the terrestrial Laka region, together with the Chagos archipelago and Lakshadweep. With an average ground level elevation of 1.5 meters above sea level, and a highest natural point of only 2.4 meters, it is the world's lowest lying country. Note that some sources state the highest point, Mount Villanili, as 5.1 meters. In the 12th century, Islam reached the Maldivian archipelago, which was consolidated as a sultanate, growing sturdy commercial and cultural ties with Asia and Africa. From the mid-16th century, the place got here under the growing influence of European colonial powers, with Maldives turning into a British protectorate in 1887. Independence from the United Kingdom got here in 1965, and a presidential republic changed into set-up in 1968 with an elected People's Majlis. The resulting many years have seen political instability, efforts at democratic reform, and environmental demanding situations posed by weather, trade and rising sea stages. Maldives have become a founding member of the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAARC. It is also a member of the United Nations, the Commonwealth of Nations, the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, and the Non-Aligned Movement. The World Bank classifies the Maldives as having an upper middle profits economy. Fishing has historically been the dominant monetary interest, and stays the largest region by way of some distance, followed by way of the swiftly developing tourism industry. The Maldives rates excessive on the Human Development Index, with per capita profits significantly higher than different SAARC countries. Maldives turned into a member of the Commonwealth of Nations from July 1982 till taking flight from the employer in October 2016 in protest of allegations with the aid of different international locations of its human rights abuses and failing democracy. Maldives rejoined the Commonwealth on February 1, 2020 after showing proof of functioning democratic approaches and popular guide.